things we do every day. This is Slow English Daily Habits. Every morning, I wake up at 6 a.m. The first thing I do is turn off my alarm. Then, I stretch in bed. I like to wake up early. I get up and out of bed, get dressed, and make the bed. I go to the bathroom. First, I brush my teeth. I use toothpaste and a toothbrush. Then, I wash my face with water and dry it with a soft towel. Also, I use deodorant, comb my hair, and shave my beard. After that, I go to the kitchen and I make breakfast. I love scrambled eggs with cheese for breakfast. You need to crack the eggs carefully and stir it constantly not to burn. I also make coffee. I sometimes eat fruit and nuts too. And I always drink a cup of coffee without sugar or milk. I need energy because the day is just beginning. After breakfast, I sit at my desk. I start work at 7 o'clock. I work remotely, so I don't need to leave home. I work from 7 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Then it's lunchtime. I cook lunch quickly. I usually cook rice on the stove, some meat in the oven, and make a salad, of course. It's important to eat vegetables. I chop them in small pieces, put them in a bowl, add a little olive oil and salt, and mix it thoroughly. At noon, I have lunch very slowly. It's not healthy to eat in a hurry. After lunch, I do the dishes. And then I take a nap on the couch for 30 minutes. I need to get back to work. I am an online English teacher. I work on the laptop. I teach students from all over the world. It's really interesting and fun. I meet people from many different countries. I learn about their lives and culture. It's fascinating. And I can help them learn another language, which will help them personally and professionally. Para estudar comigo no English Bay, é só você acessar o link na descrição desse vídeo, você vai ganhar um descontão para ter o meu curso completo, mais exercícios e o melhor, poder participar de grupos de conversação com o professor, também prática com IA no WhatsApp, encontros de tirar dúvidas toda semana comigo para eu responder suas perguntas. No plano Pro você ainda ganha 2 bônus, o app Elina, também para você praticar o inglês falado sempre que você quiser, e o app Swipe English para reforçar a memorização de vocabulário e estruturas em inglês. A English Bay oferece uma estrutura completa com todas as ferramentas para você chegar à fluência de vez. O link está na descrição, te vejo lá. Besides, I promote English Bay. my online English school, making long and short videos for social media. I enjoy it very much. I finish work at 6 p.m. In the evening, I exercise. I do Pilates. Then, I leave home to take out the garbage and go shopping. I go down the elevator and put the garbage in the bin. I always recycle plastic and glass bottles. Then I go to the supermarket. I don't have a car, but I don't mind walking. I walk to the closest supermarket. I buy some groceries. I always look for good prices. I come back home. I never forget to lock the door. I store the groceries in the kitchen cabinets and in the refrigerator. Then, I clean my apartment. I wipe my desk. I organize the living room. I do the laundry. I iron my clothes. I mop the floor. After all, I take a shower. I use shampoo and conditioner for my hair and liquid soap for my body. After the shower, I have a light dinner. I boil water to make tea, and I often just eat a ham and cheese sandwich while I talk to my wife. We talk about our day, the news, and about our hobbies, especially literature. After dinner, I watch a movie or a series. I sometimes listen to music or read a magazine or just simply rest and do nothing for a while. It's time to go to my bedroom. I go to bed at 9 p.m. I prefer sleeping early, but before that, I read a book in bed for an hour. I set my alarm for the next morning. I turn off the lights. I lie down and close my eyes. I fall asleep. I normally sleep very well at night. This is my daily routine. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.